Okay friends, so here we have a new item again from me. Yeah, I think it's the LED light stick or somewhat. So let's see what's inside. So first, like, we will be sanitizing the product. So now we are gonna open it.
This is the product, I think.
Yeah, this is the product. Wait, this is I think table lamp.
And global award.
Open that.
Good.
Here you have one handle. Yeah.
And very easy to.
Yeah. Now you could see it more clearly, right? Yeah. Okay.
So can we open it?
Okay. Now we're gonna open the box. Weirdly. There you go. Okay.
Yeah, here is the
You have the box here. You can keep it aside.
manual.
Yeah. Manual.
And take it.
Yeah, I think it's a stand. You have to take it carefully. Wait a minute. Okay, so here this is the product. Okay, so we take this cover also. It's so beautiful, right? White color. Yeah, these are I think the instructions to use this knob over here. Yeah, so let's look that.
Okay, increase in brightness, I think.
Press down on the knob once to turn
Like this?
the lamp on or off. Yeah, so you could like press it. Yeah, you could like press it. Okay, then turn the knob to adjust the lamp's brightness. Hold the knob down and turn it to adjust the lamp color temperature. Okay, so nothing in the back. Okay, only this much.
So the like
So this is a knob.
like this we can increase and decrease, and there is plus and minus sign here. Like this.
Yeah, you could. Yeah. So here we have the light. We will show you. Here, those are the lights.
Here.
Okay, not the fan. This one. This one.
And we can adjust
Okay.
till here.
You could tilt this one to like according to our convenience. Okay.
Okay, so let's
Now let's look what is inside this box. Okay. Port like thing. I think you have to enter this. Okay, this one manual. First, product features. Okay. Adjustable brightness, adjustable color temperature, Mi Home, Xiaomi Home app. voice control. Okay, HomeKit control, flicker free, low blue light content, high color rendering index, foldable design, 135-degree adjustable angle, scheduled on and off, turn off delay, reading mode, PC mode, child mode, focus mode. Okay, so these are the warnings. Suitable for indoor use at related ambient temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. Yeah, you could read it, right? This is the product overview. Read this manual carefully. Yeah, this lamp is intended for use in studies, bedrooms, and other indoor areas. Okay. Using the lamp, plug the power cable into the charging port at the base and connect to the adapter. Connect the adapter to the power supply. Then you have the lamp body, power port, adjustable knob, power adapter, this thing. A small dot-like thingy on that stand. It is, I think, like it does not have any purpose. Okay. So we go to the button instructions, then connecting with
iPhone.
Yeah, these 3 instructions we have read it on that circular paper, right? Okay. Now connecting with Mi Home, Xiaomi Home app. You could read it, right? Yeah, you could read this. So here guys, we have a Mi Smart LED lamp or the study table. So we are gonna test its brightness. We are gonna show it to you. Okay, so we switch off the lights. Okay, now we'll on it. Yeah, so this is it's perfect, right? Even if there is no current, but then yeah, if there's no current means this is not a rechargeable type, so it requires current for its working, but then it's good, right? It lightens up only the area what we want to be lit. You could adjust it. Okay, now you could adjust the light also, the intensity of the brightness. Yeah, here we have lessened the brightness. Okay, now we'll increase it slowly. Yeah, the brightness is increasing. Okay, it's perfect, right? It's just lighting up the whole this much area where we could change the color also, color of the light. So for that you have to press the button down and then turn. Press it and turn. Okay, don't press it and leave it and turn. You have to press and keep so and turn. Yeah, now the light has turned into white color. Before it was like a yellow tinge, right? So now you have white color. Yeah, now again it has turned yellow. Now bright yellow. Now very much bright yellow, right? Yeah. Now complete yellow. Okay, so now that is our like you could adjust the intensity of the light according to our wish. You could change the color according to our wish. You could bend that tube according to our wish. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Now you might think, yeah, it's just like an ordinary lamp. What makes it smart? Okay, so we will introduce you like we will give you an explanation of how it became smart. Okay, so this LED lamp could be controlled by Mi Home app, which should be installed in the mobile. So we show you how to do that. So we are going to off it and we will on the lamp using the Mi Home app. Okay, so we'll show how to do it. So it's the Mi Home app. So these are the terms and conditions. So we are going to agree that you have to install it from the Play Store and then do so we set it up, we will set it up and show. Okay, so we have done that. Let me take that. Yeah, so yeah, the camera is auto focusing here. Okay, so here you could see Lily Kuti. So we have given this light a name. So while setting it up, like it said that it requires a name, so we gave it a name Lily Kuti. Now, like we are gonna. So this is in a off condition. Okay, so there are some other.
Custom reading Prisma.
Yeah, Lilikutti off. Yeah, it's switched off. Okay, now we like on it. Yeah, now it turned on. Yeah, it turned down. Yeah, see? Exactly like how we have done with the manual button present on its the round platform. Okay, now we will control it using the mobile. Like you could change the brightness using the mobile. So we show that. Wait. So since we have to show the mobile and the light, like I will tilt it a little bit downwards so that we get the light. Okay. So Surya, do it. So here I will show. You could like run your finger. What is written by brightness? Yeah, color temperature. You could change the color temperature also. Becomes more and more yellow. See? Yeah. You could like just scroll your finger through that screen and set it up like that. You just scroll it and just leave there. You will have that sort of brightness, yeah, like this one. Okay. So Surya, you make it more yellow. We will show them. More, yeah, more yellow. Repeat avade. Yeah. So like this is too yellow. Yeah, this is in its PC mode, right? Like could we see that through? No, this is custom, right? Yeah, custom mode is on. Okay, now Okay, so you change it to reading mode. Yeah, we will show you the reading mode. Reading mode is like this. Can we change the brightness level?
No.
No, right? Yeah, we cannot. It doesn't change.
Brightness is 100% and
Brightness is 100%. Yeah, I can't yeah.
Otherwise,
100%. Like
we
I think we could control it from that manual button. But then again, it changes into custom mode. Okay, but reading mode means it according to it we require this much light. Yeah. Now coming on to the PC mode next. This is the PC mode. Yeah. Could we change the brightness again? No. Here also like no, it doesn't change. Only I think only in the custom mode it changes the brightness of the light. Okay, so it's like this, and I think if we control from here, I think it goes to the custom mode. Yeah, gone to the custom mode, right? Yeah, gone to the custom mode automatically. But then yeah, you could adjust it according to your wish, right? So it's a very beautiful, wonderful lamp. Yeah, I have seen such a product. No, we have seen such a product. It's a beautiful product. It's too much helpful. Yeah, and like we could adjust the intensity of the light, and that's the main advantage it has. If you want yellow tinge colored light, you could set up like that. If you want white light, you could set up like that. If you want more brightness, you could set up like that. If you want less, so like with the case of normal the LED tube lights that we use in our rooms, yeah, this is the LED tube light. Yeah, this is the LED tube light. So like in its case we can't like adjust the brightness, right? But here in the case of this one, you could adjust. In the case of these tube lights, sometimes the brightness will be too bright, like we won't be able to what accept that much brightness. It will be like harmful to our eyes. But then here this one you could just adjust by turning the knob or through the mobile app. So that is why we call it a smart LED lamp. Yeah, it has asked for its name. Like you could change the name. We have just put a Lily Kuti. You could like give it some other name according to your wish, and you could set up accordingly through the mobile app. So that is why it is smart. Okay, so if you want to turn off, what we have to do? Turn off. Wait. Yeah, you have to click that off button. Yeah, then it is turned off. You need not like, yeah, when it is turned off the screen shows like this one. Yeah, okay, so that's what liquidity again turn off. Okay, so yeah, this is our product. Smart LED lamp. I hope you all liked it. You could also buy it from the Me online store. We will provide the link in our description box, so you could just open the description box. Yeah, you could just open the description box and then click the link. You will directly go to the Me online shopping store, and you could easily buy it and keep one for you and your family. It's actually very useful. Okay, so thanks for the day. Bye.